Why I regret moving my mother into a nursing. 5 hard truths you must know. I thought I was doing the right thing. I moved my mother into a nursing home to keep her safe, to make sure she was taken care of, to give myself peace of mind. But if I'm being honest with you, it was one of the biggest regrets of my life. And if you're even thinking about making this decision, you need to hear this first, because what I learned after, nobody talks about. Now, listen, this isn't easy for me to say because when you move a parent into a nursing home, you tell yourself a story. They'll be safer, they'll get better care. This is what's best. And maybe people around you agree. Doctors agree, family agrees, friends say it's the responsible thing to do. And you start to feel like you're making the right decision. But what I learned after, it's not always what you think. And these 5 truths I'm about to share, they might change how you look at the decision forever. So stay with me because the last one, that's the one that hit me the hardest. Truth number 1. I told myself it was the best decision, but I never asked her what she truthfully wanted. I convinced myself it was the right move. I looked at her age, her condition, her needs. I made a decision based on logic, but I skipped something important. I never really asked her, is this what you want? Not in a real way, not in a sit down, heart to heart conversation, because deep down, I thought I already knew the answer. And that's the mistake. Because sometimes we make decisions for people instead of with them. And later, that silence, that missing conversation, it stays with you. You start replaying it in your head. What if I had asked differently? What if I had listened more? And you realize this wasn't just a housing decision, this was her life. Truth number 2. I thought she'd be safer, but she declined faster. This one shocked me because safety was the whole reason. I thought more supervision, more structure, more help would lead to better health. But what actually happened, she started doing less, walking less, less movement, less independence. And at first, you don't notice it. It's subtle, but over time, it adds up. She relied on others more, which meant her body started relying on itself less. And slowly, she got weaker. The strength she had, the independence she held on to for years, started slipping away. And the hardest part, watching it happen and realizing I didn't expect it. Nobody told me this part. Truth number 3. I confused convenience with care. This one is hard to admit, but I'm going to be real with you. Part of the decision made life easier for me. Less stress, less daily responsibility, less worry about what if something happens. But if I justified it, I told myself this is better for her. But if I'm being honest, it was also more convenient for me. And here's the truth most people avoid: convenience does not always equal care. Just because something is easier doesn't mean it gets better. And that's something I had to sit with because once you realize that, you start questioning everything. Truth number 4. Staff was stretched thin. She just became another room number. Let's be clear. The staff weren't bad people. They were trying, but they were overwhelmed. Too many residents, not enough time, not enough support. And when that happens, people get reduced to numbers. Schedules replace attention, efficiency replaces connection. And over time, my mother went from being my mother to being room 214, waiting, waiting for help, waiting for attention, waiting for someone to come in, and sometimes waiting longer than she should have. And that's when it really hit me. This system isn't built for personal care. It's built for managing people. Truth number 5. If I could do it all over again, I would fight harder to keep her at home. This is the one that stays with me the most. If I had another chance, I would slow everything down. I would ask more questions, look at more options, have more conversations. I'd fight harder to keep her in a place that felt like home because once she moved in, everything changed. Her routine, her energy, her spirit, and going back, it wasn't simple. The longer she stayed, the harder it became physically, emotionally, logistically. And that's the part nobody explains. Moving in feels like a decision you can reverse. But for many people, it isn't. Now, listen, nursing homes serve a purpose. Some families truthfully need them. This isn't about guilt, this is about awareness. Because too many people make this decision without fully understanding what comes with it. And if you're watching this right now, thinking about a parent, a loved one, or yourself one day, just ask yourself this: am I choosing what's easiest or what's truthfully best? Because once this decision is made, life doesn't just change, it transforms. If this made you think, comment the word family below. And if you know someone considering this decision, please share this video with them. It could change everything for their family. And if you're here in Atlanta and you're trying to figure out how to keep a loved one at home or explore better options before making a permanent decision, reach out to ATL Home Help Solutions at Gerald at atlhomehelp.com. I help families make smart decisions before it's too late.